with me, Macau me, Macau me, baby. Fill me up, take me down, show me around, Macau me, me and Macau. Go all around, look it up and down, turn the corner, Macau me, baby. Fill me up, take me down, show me around, Macau me. Me and Macau, go all around, look it up and down, turn the corner, Macau me, baby. Fill me up, take me down, show me around, Macau me.
Okay, so I'm gonna film this street right here, Avenida da Repu. You can see some really beautiful houses up in the distance as well. And I'm gonna also walk down this way a little bit and just kind of give you a taste of this. The street is actually quite long, but I'll explain it all. This used to be all ocean, and then they made all this reclaimed land. Macau Tower's over there, and you can see more casino stuff over there, which is also reclaimed. And this whole thing would be the Republic Avenue. So this is gonna be this video right here. So we're not gonna do all of it, but we're gonna do a part of it. Macau, Republic Avenue. This overlooks the ocean, and this also has some changes in it too. They're continually developing the waterfront in this area, and so there's some new park benches, some stuff. I'll talk about that anyways in the walk and talk, so you can see exactly what is different than before. And Republic Avenue is part of Macau. It's on the map. You've been watching it on the map already. Anyways, we're gonna put the lyrics up because I know that more than anything, you don't want to hear me talking about it. You want to feel as if you were there yourself. So let's do that. Get the camera, walk and talk time. I'll narrate and kind of walk it through with you. Okay, Republic Avenue, Macau, 2025. Yeah, check out how cool this housing is. I kind of feel like this would be the better way to walk. Like the view of it looks better. But yeah, this used to be all waterfront, or ocean front, I mean. And now it's lakefront. Macau Tower. There's the bridge right over there. A little bit later, that's going to be illuminated. It'll look really nice. But we're going to give you a taste of this southern part of Macau. Check out how beautiful these mansions are in here. It's beautiful balconies. So we're gonna kind of walk around the corner because there's a lot of new things in here. And it's also kind of catching a little bit of the sunset as well. People do exercise and run and jog in this area. So yeah, this is the most southern part of Macau. More of these. And there's actually something called Tiago, which is up on the hill straight ahead, and there's another one on the other side. So this whole waterfront, the pictures in the past look like, you know, it's a very popular place to enjoy in the evening. And you can still see all the park benches here, but now that it overlooks the, you can see the mountains up there too. Let's pause real quick. Yeah, there's some things in Portuguese, Chinese over there as well. So I wouldn't mind seeing what that is. But you can see there's something kind of historical right there. And these trees are numbered 1003. I'll explain that too, but that means that they're preserved. So they're to be preserved, and they can't be cut down for for preservation. Okay. So I'm going to walk down that way further, but before we go down, we're going to be walking and kind of seeing this new park, which is a little bit new. But that's our waterfront right there, so you can see, get a better view of it. And it does go all the way down. Right here is just, this actually is a separate space, just kind of a little lookout space. A Miradoro, like viewpoint of Henry Dunant. And I believe that that's his statue right over there. There's a busk. Check out this old phone booth. So archaic now. This old phone booth that's like completely unused. You know, these things wouldn't even work. 1 mop or 5 mop. It's almost impossible to even, the 1 mops are like almost obsolete already. Post offices are surely becoming obsolete as well, but not like a phone booth. These are for the typhoons, so they'll support the trees. Sometimes if there was damage to some trees after typhoon, they'll hold it up like that and put those little scaffolding things up. So we're gonna keep on walking down. Another cool looking building. Okay, so that over there, those tall buildings over there, that's part of Hengqin. That's the financial district where the camera's pointing right now. Hengqin, mainland China. So that's directly the way from here. But of course, right here, we're on the Macau side. We got more beautiful park benches. And I imagine that historically there would have been a lot of people that would come here and walk down up this waterfront. And I think that this road right here in the past looked like more like a much bigger area that they could walk along. But now you just have these tiny little narrow alleys, narrow roads, right? The sidewalk is like so hard to walk. So I think it's like, I hardly ever come down here and walk either because it just seems so difficult to do. But historically I think they would walk down the entire boulevard. So that was a different time period, of course. And then if you were to go up through this way, there's a whole row of abandoned houses up on the hill. Okay, so now we're coming into a park here. So this is all kind of relatively new. And then this is a Bara station right over there. And then this is the street right here that just goes up into all these abandoned homes. And then this was all under construction for at least about 10 years. But now they have nice beautiful park benches in here. And now you actually have this waterfront as well. Macau Tower. So yeah, this was all under construction right what I'm walking on now. So they expanded this big sidewalk. And I hope they do something with what I was walking on, because that would be nice if it could be expanded somehow. Okay. So straight ahead you can see the bridges. You can see a bridge that says Nanban. It says Bridge to Hong Kong, Zhuhai, Macau. So if you follow that direction, you can go that way. There's Taipa and Kolowan. That goes over the bridge to the airport. There's a little airport sign as well. And you have these big wide things. So okay, so anyways, that's a slice of Macau. The Republica Avenue, I didn't follow the whole thing down. And that's on the financial district side, and then there's Taipa side, which is part of Macau, would be down that way, over that way. And this is all Hengqin, China. Hengqin, China, those buildings, that whole skyline. Taipa would be over that direction, which is another island as well. And then we were just walking down the Avenida da Repu right there. And we could actually go around the entire lake. I guess I kind of get away from Republica Avenue though. And then if we follow this down, you'll start seeing more people running and jogging, exercise things down that way as well. So I probably should go all the way around it sometime, but I think I'm just gonna stay right there. And now we're standing on what would have been once ocean, but now it's reclaimed land. And I'm just gonna go back this way because you can get a different perspective of what all we just saw. And that was our target street right over there. Avenida da Repu. And that's in this particular video. Okay, so this is actually the Red Cross of Macau. So that's what this was. So that's, I can see some of the old 1951, 1990, and then this kind of nice little thing too. So I guess that's what that was all about. Anyways, we're back on the other side. I came back over this way and we're gonna end our video. Just to finish out my street, I just came, I'm in a car, so I'm gonna just drive and capture the rest of Avenida Republica just so we can completely finish the street. But you can see as you drive it, it's kind of long, so just walking it's a little bit repetitive, but by the car we can move along a little faster and you can see how long it is and just all these different buildings as well. So we're gonna capture those a little bit to the left. And then of course the waterfront to the right. And a lot of people do run, so you can see these runners that are up and down the street. It's kind of a beautiful building. Some of the buildings on this waterfront are really nice. And there's even a little country club kind of thing. They play tennis, and I've seen them take care of this yard here as well, to the left of the tennis court. So yeah, quite a long street if I were to walk the whole thing. But at least you get an idea through the camera lens with the car. And then that's Pena Church up on top. So very beautiful. Still on Republica. It's a nice little restaurant right in here as well. Henry's. That's always been popular as long as I can remember. Okay, so that's a little slice of Republica on the southern part of Macau Peninsula. And I guess I'm gonna keep the camera on just a little bit longer just to kind of fill out. So Republica would end around here. And I am going to keep the camera on and just kind of give you an idea. So now you can see Republica over there and the lake that we were on. And then we're going to be going towards Macau Tower. So let me just, I guess we'll just end it right there with the sunset. That's good enough.
Envelop me, vibe me, Macau me, Macau me, baby. Fill me up, take me down, show me around, Macau me and Macau.